UMN Student News, here to tell you a little bit about Hurricane Goldie that made touchdown last night in Tallahassee, Florida. The first scientist we're going to talk to about is Dr. McDonagh, who's going to tell you a little bit about the science behind hurricanes and how they're formed.
Thank you, Sophie. To start off, I'm going to talk about the basic formation of a hurricane. What happens is that a low pressure system forms over the tropics in the oceans. This low pressure system causes air to rush into the center of that system, which then has that air being deflected by the Coriolis effect. This causes the massive amount of rotating and spinning air that you see on radar images and maps that come out from major hurricanes. What happens then is once a tropical storm reaches a maximum sustained wind velocity of 74 miles per hour, it is officially classified as a hurricane, typhoon, or cyclone, depending on where you are located around the globe. The exact cause of the formation of hurricanes is not exactly known, but we do know where the energy comes from. The energy comes from humid air that is lifted up in the low pressure system, which releases tremendous amounts of energy in the form of rainfall as it cools and condenses.
Next we'll talk to Dr. Zane Murphy, who's a scientist who's going to tell us a little bit about the effects that hurricanes have on the communities and their residents.
Thanks, Sophie. Many people think that wind is the most damaging part of a hurricane. And while the wind is the most noticeable and often the scariest thing right away, it certainly does do some damage. The greatest danger of hurricanes is the flooding caused by the immense amounts of rain and the storm surge. The storm surge is a mound of water located in the center of the hurricane and moves with the storm. It's caused by low atmospheric pressure at the center of the storm. These storm surges can reach heights of 1 meter in the open ocean, and as they approach the shore, they become bigger due to the waves and strong hurricane winds. When they reach the shoreline, the water rushes inland, causing massive, widespread flooding.
The 2005 Atlantic hurricane season was the most catastrophic in recorded history. In total, there were 28 tropical cyclones and 15 hurricanes that caused over $100 billion in damage. These storms caused 1,777 deaths and displaced more than 1.5 million people. Many of the most widely known hurricanes occurred in 2005, including Wilma, Rita, and most notoriously, Katrina. Hurricane Katrina is the most well known for the damage it caused in New Orleans, but it actually made landfall twice, hitting Florida first as a Category 1 storm, circling backwards to the warm Gulf and growing to a Category 5 storm before hitting Louisiana and Mississippi as a Category 4. It carried with it 125 miles per hour winds and a 34-foot storm surge that flooded 80% of New Orleans. The 2017 hurricane season rivaled the 2005 season with Harvey and Irma, causing similar amounts of damage.